Hello everyone, Simon here from myforestmagicwave.com. I'm making this small quick video about Aussie USD. Aussie has been lately moving, bounced a little bit actually, and screwed up my pound Aussie setup, but it's still intact. So let's see what happened. This is Aussie USD. And this is a monthly chart, and you can see clearly what's happening and where it is going. Obviously, it's going to have a little wobble, up and down and up and down. But this is the target, basically, to me at least. Okay, this is the high of 82.15. So if you notice that we came close here, and then here, and then we broke this one, then broke here, then again this area acted as a support. Right now, this candle is just above this channel and this horizontal, the cross section of these two. And also, if you pull the fib, it will be very close to just above 61.8%. It's not exactly, but it is right there. So it's very much likely that this area is right now. See, if you take it from here, it is almost exactly there, right? So this is the spot. To me, that's what it is. But it's 50% right here. So a lot of times these things make bad pattern. And for that is 50% pullback, full 50%, and then it goes back to 23%. So we're going to have to watch it very closely if it is going to break this area and come down to this TL and this white, horizontal level or what. Now, let's go on a smaller time frame, what's happening on a daily, weekly, and all those. Okay, so let's go on a daily. If you see, this is how it looks like. In fact, let me turn into weekly. Okay, so you will see this is how it is. It's coming down in this fashion, and I don't want to go into Elliott wave right now. But here's the thing. Okay, this is the daily chart, and I have to talk about it. This was the fourth wave, okay? So the fifth wave can go easily to 127 or 1.618. So 127 of this coming right around here, which is 86. So we can easily drop a little bit more, and then if you go further to 1.618, that is coming exactly where the monthly chart was pointing out. Okay, 82, 83, 82.50, 83, something like that. But for now, right now, 127, let's make that target. If we go down, then the target would be 86.01, 127 easily. But what is the sign? What are the sign of confirmation that we will go down? So daily chart turn daily. Look at this indicator here, all the way in the bottom. And if you notice that whenever it is all the way on the top, then it, have a reaction, right? Very nice, and then it stays in the bottom. When it stays in the bottom, then 4 hour, the same indicator on a 4-hour chart is acting. For example, here, every time it goes up, you hit it to the downside. You see that when the daily wasn't down, then every time it goes up here, you can hit for short here, then short here, then short here, in this area, then big short here, then short here. Then, I don't know, let's see. Okay, now, what's happening here is this area, this low, we are hitting and getting rejected. Right now, it's 12, just a few minutes before 12 p.m. So this time, you never know what's going to happen until Frankie opens up. We will know what is the situation. So this is on a 4-hour. I have this setup here. All these three indicators showing now bearish condition. Plus this horizontal area is holding, and you can see that. So let's see on a 1-hour chart what is the story there. And on a 1-hour chart, you have this level here, and you have the same story. These two are up with the divergence showing on this Sam's divergence indicator, which is pretty much every time, it's strong. It's true. So it is also showing, and then this pin bar from this area. So let's draw this trend line here, and let's wait for the break of it. Okay. let's see what happens. If you continue going up, then don't bother. Or maybe, you find a long entry or long, anything else. But right now I'm concentrating on the short side. All right. So let's see what happens on let's say what I will do on the short side is if, and you can also see this EMA stack, we are just above the 1 hour, actually is hitting the 1 hour. We can easily come back down again below it. And that would be a rejection from the 1 hour. Just like here, it goes up a little bit, then it start coming down again. So we may be doing the same thing here. God knows. Time will tell. Okay. We cross there, then we hit this area, drop. It went up, and then now maybe dropping. So let's see. These indicators showing the bearish, and then you have a horizontal area. So what I will do is I will use this template here. And just you testing different things, different kind of wave here, and you can see these there. They're just on either north or south of this yellow line. When they open up on the other side, you have our bullish or bearish setup. So if you look at this, is a 5-minute chart, or all same chart, right? So see, for the bearish, you can see that if it comes down below the yellow line and then gives you something like that, that's bearish. Bullish is this one right here. See the bullish setup, these two indicators, nice bullish setup here. So this something like that, okay? Right here is the bearish one, not too long, too much, but it was above this area. So, and in between this EMA, inside this EMA stack, no man's land. Okay, and like this one here, nice entry here, right? So something like that. I will be looking for the downside here. So let the price come down here and give us a setup somewhere here in the Frankie and or London, or maybe around here somewhere, and then we will watch out if we can break this trend line and then start dropping. So watch out that if it drops, it's not going to drop straight, it's going to be like this, So wave 1, 2, if you miss the wave 1 or not sure, wait for the wave 2, pull back a little bit. Okay, maybe we'll drop here and then go back up with this white line and then drop. So we will see. And then also here you have a monthly S1. All right. So it is better if we can wait for of a break of that. All right. But again, remember this could be wave 1 and then you just come down here for wave 2 around 61.8 and then go up again. Right. Anything can happen. But the strong trend is to the downside, and I just showed you monthly what it's saying that I need to go more down if we break this 50% line. It's 86.81, so we're not too far from there, right? We can break it. 86.81, and we are right now what, 88, so 100 some pip. Let's see what happens. All right, so I just wanted to show you, just watch out for this pair to the downside. Let's see what happens. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.